Welcome to All-in-One SEO. Today we're introducing version 4.9.1, and this update is all about helping you understand where your brand actually shows up in AI search results and giving more users access to essential redirect tools to protect their traffic. AI search engines are quickly becoming a major way people discover brands online. More and more users are turning to AI tools for recommendations, answers, and comparisons. But until now, it's been incredibly difficult to see which brands are being surfaced and where the real opportunities are. That's exactly what we're fixing in 4.9.1. This update introduces a brand new keyword report inside AI Insights, along with expanded redirect features across more plans. Let's take a look at what's new. First, let's talk about the new keyword report. Inside your dashboard, head to AI Insights and open Keyword Reports. From here, simply enter a keyword or search query that matters to your business. For example, something like best restaurants in Auckland, and click Generate. After a short moment, All-in-One SEO generates a report showing which brands are being mentioned across multiple AI platforms for that query. You can immediately see which brands are showing up most often and which AI engines are surfacing them. Scroll down and you'll find the individual AI engine responses. You can expand each one to see exactly how those answers were generated, right inside WordPress. This gives you a much clearer picture of the AI search landscape around your keywords. You can identify competitors you may not have considered, spot content gaps, and start shaping content around topics where visibility is still up for grabs. And for a limited time, this keyword report is available to all users, so you can start exploring AI search visibility right away. We're also building on this with something coming soon, a brand tracker inside AI Insights that will let you monitor how your own brand performs across multiple keywords over time. This will make it even easier to understand trends, positioning, and long-term visibility in AI-driven search. Now let's talk about redirects. Redirects play a critical role in protecting your traffic, fixing broken links, and maintaining strong SEO as your site evolves. In version 4.9.1, we've expanded redirect access so more users can take advantage of these essential tools. If you're on the basic plan, you can now create redirects and automatically monitor post URL changes. When you update or change a URL, All-in-One SEO prompts you to add a redirect so you don't lose traffic or rankings. If you're on the Plus, Pro, or Elite plan, you get everything in Basic plus access to HTTP headers. This lets you manage server response headers directly from WordPress, giving you more control over security, caching, and content delivery without touching server files. Pro and Elite users continue to have access to the full redirect toolkit, including redirect logging and advanced 404 settings. These features are ideal for larger sites and agencies that need deeper insight into how traffic flows through their redirects. Along with these updates, we've also refreshed the design of the redirects menu to make it cleaner, easier to navigate, and faster to work with. Altogether, version 4.9.1 gives you better insight into how AI search is shaping brand discovery and makes it easier for every user to protect their site structure as it grows. Update to All-in-One SEO 4.9.1 today to start using the new keyword report and expanded redirect features. And if you want to stay ahead as AI search continues to evolve, make sure you're subscribed for more updates, walkthroughs, and tips to help your site perform better in both traditional and AI-driven search. Thanks for watching.